welcome all in our YouTube channel Elexys based project, and today we will see a new hardware setup. The title name is Transformer Physical Health Safety System using Arduino, and complete ready hardware setup is available on the screen as you can see. So let us discuss which components is used in this project. So first we will see we are using here a two dual channel SPDT relay module to turn on and off the main supply of the transformer, and as well as to turn on and off the fan, and to detect the motion, either there is any kind of animal or human is available or not. We are using this PIR motion detection sensor. It will inform us about any kind of motion. And then after for cooling purpose of the transformer, we are using BLDC 10 centimeter of square fan for cooling purpose, as you can see on the screen. And the most important part is this 1 ampere metal core transformer. We will perform all the operation for the safety of this transformer. And for the detection of transformer body temperature, we are using here designer temperature sensor for temperature measurement. And to handle entire operations like running LCD, turning on and off the fan, turning on and off the transformer detection, motion detection, and running the buzzer, all this is responsible to handle this Arduino Nano. And to display either the fan is on or off, transformer is on or off, any kind of motion detected here or not, and how much is the temperature. We are using this 16x LCD, blue color of LCD. And for sound notification, we are using this black color of 15 mm buzzer. We are using here one incandescent lamp as the load of the transformer. It will help us to understand either the transformer is on or off, and due to the load, transformer will get heat up. For the purpose of 9V DC power supply, we will use this 9V power adapter for the operation. Our hardware setup required 230V of AC. For this purpose, we are using extension board here and providing 230V to 9V adapter, and then after we will provide 230V for the transformer and fan operation. So as you can see on the screen, so we have done all the arrangements for the testing purpose. So let us start the setup and see how it performs. So we have applied 230V power supply, and project name is appearing on the screen. And then after you can see current temperature is 38.61, and fan is off, buzzer is off, and load is on. And we can also see the load is on in the lamp. So first we will take a temperature safety test. So using the gas lighter, we will provide heat to the temperature sensor, and then we will see either the fan is turned on and off. And remember one important thing, that the fan will turn on when temperature is more than 60 degrees C. So wait for some moments and we will see how it performs. So we are applying heat to the temperature sensor, and you can see temperature has reached more than 60 degree, and fan is on, also showing on the LCD screen. Fan is on and temperature is 142, showing high temperature fault on the LCD. And currently fan is on, but now you can see temperature has reduced to less than 60%. so our LCD is showing fan is off and showing no high temperature fault. LCD is blank, so it means that there is no fault. Again we are applying the heat, so you can see temperature has reached more than 60 degrees C. So fan is on now, and current temperature is 104 degrees C, 124 degrees C. So you can see our fan is working so fine and showing high temperature fault. And whenever temperature reaches less than 60 degrees C, fan will turn off automatically, so that we can show energy as well. So you can see our temperature test is working so fine. Now time to test the motion sensor test. So using our hand we will provide motion, and you can see LCD there is no fault, fan is off, buzzer is off, and using our hand we will provide motion. So as you can see, because of the motion our system has turned off, and our system is considering that there is any kind of human or animal around the transformer, and for its safety it is getting turned off automatically, and where there is no motion it will turn on automatically. As you can see again we are applying the motion, so it will detect and it will turn off automatically for the safety of humans or animals, and also for the transformer. And when the person is not available there, or animal is not available there, it will detect and it will automatically turn on the system for the reliability of system. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if any student want any kind of extra feature in this project, so those students are also welcome. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.